The 010111 prophecy. It is the winter solstice of the blood-red moon. Selene is stained with virgin's blood. Diana wears a blood-red hue this eve. On 010119 plus 95, I revealed to the world the creator formula of 010111 to the fourth power. In 10 days, the calendar shows 010111, the creator formula. Behold, the ground shall shake within 10 days. Thousands shall die around the world to celebrate 010111. On Xmas Day 2003, bam, I ran. Thousands died. On Xmas Day 2004, using Eastern Standard Time, thousands died from the Great Quake and Tsunami. On 9/11, thousands died from terrorists. On 8/31, Diana died on the 13th pillar. On TWA 800, hundreds died, and few know why. Behold, it is 16 years since I gave man the truth. 010111 is the creator formula. Many shall die in the great quake to show the truth. 010111 is the truth. It is the magic number used to create the illusion of being. Behold, the great Xmas Day quakes. Thousands shall die. Behold, the great New Year's Day quakes. Thousands shall die. Behold, terrorists shall strike within 13 days. Many shall die. Luke 10:18. I beheld Satan as lightning. Lightning is Barak in Hebrew. I speak and the ground shakes. I speak and the mountains smoke. I speak and mortals die. Look at the sky. See the planes fall like flies. So many are about to die. Look at the ball in the sky. It drops on 010111. So many die. The leader is assassinated. Is it a bullet in the head, or does his plane fall from the sky? Another mortal dies as I warned. Look at the great quakes. Look at the acts of terrorism. Look at the great assassination. Destroy all nukes, or all of mankind shall die. Shami, mankind, that means obey. 010111 is the truth. To celebrate the truth, thousands shall be sacrificed. Written on the winter solstice in the shadow of the eclipse of the moon, 2010, Common Era, by Sollog, the living word of one, sollog.com.